Various listeners wishing us death. Don't give a damn, I'm reppin' Young Sinatra till my last breath. Easily my darkest confession is lyrical aggression through indiscretion that triggers anti-depression when addressing my profession in every session. The fact that I'm alive is such a blessing. Sipping wine while these honeys addressing what I'm about to say is highly confidential. And in the music industry today very essential. So beside your pencil, you can do it on your own. Stop thinking that these labels is the ones that put you on. Let's change the topic. Who's your favorite rapper? I'm the top pick. The flow is elegant, never irrelevant. How many times must I say this? Cock back and spray this, never delay this. I pray this reaches the masses and spread like cancer on their asses. Now, allow me to catch wreck, bust rhymes like tech. Put me in your box and I'll destroy the deck.
Life's a bitch and then you die.
I used to bust tables, now I bust rhymes.
That buck, that water bottle.
Life's a bitch and then you die.
I swear to God, I'm the reincarnated Young Sinatra.
Life's a bitch and then you die.
I used to bust tables, now I bust rhymes.
That buck, that water bottle.
Life's a bitch and then you die.
I swear to God, I'm the reincarnated Young Sinatra. Whipping through Cabo with a Murcielago, dodging paparazzi with the finest dime I'm in Chicago. The baddest Bobby Soxer that you ever seen. Reppin' my team, we real all the time, so my squad king. Bing, Davis, me, Sinatra, and my boy Dean. The way we winning, I can't believe there isn't a shame. And pregnant women listening, they give birth to a fiend. I spit narcotic epidemic on the vineyard jeans. In layman's terms, I disperse a verse you never seen. Assassinate rappers the moment that they intervene. While you in the alley playing dice, I'm in the yacht contemplating plans for the next diamond heist. Art thieves and jewel connoisseurs, I study every part of their mind and make my rhyme better than yours. Elevated by being hated, sleeping on a brother like they heavily sedated.
Young Sinatra.
Some say I'm one in a million, I say I'm one of a kind. Only cocky when I rhyme, I'm Muhammad in his prime.
Life's a bitch and then you
I
die.
used to bust tables, now I bust rhymes.
That buck, that water bottle.
Life's a bitch and then you die.
I swear to God, I'm the reincarnated Young Sinatra.
Life's a bitch and then you
I
die.
used to bust tables, now I bust rhymes.
That buck, that water bottle.
Life's a bitch and then you die.
I swear to God, I'm the reincarnated Young Sinatra. Yo, address the mic and start spilling like I hit the vein. Back in the day, they used to sleep on me like tryptophan. Touchdown at a city screaming my name. I feel gunshots and break fingers just to shift the pain. Whoever hate him, I levitate him like David Blaine. Black ops state of mind, play the game like campaign. Bumping Santana in the finest Copacabana in Havana with a honey by the name of Hannah. Wearing nothing but a bandana, pussy wetter than Louisiana. You know the deal, beast to milk bone, I keep it real. Flyer than a man of steel, motherfucker, how you feel? It's logic.
Bitch and then you die.
You have interfered with our affairs for the last
I woke up early on my born day. I'm 20, it's a blessing. The essence of adolescence leaves my body now freshened. My physical frame is celebrated cause I made it. Recorded through life, some probably like they created. Got rhymes 365 days, annual plus some. Load up the mic and bust one. Cuss while I bust from my skull cause it's pain in my brain vein. Money maintained, don't go against the grain, simple and plain.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. It's funny how your role model gets outdated, becomes the old model. At the hotel asking for more bottles. Menage +1, I'm fucking 4 models. Wordplay that elevates minds like Aristotle. Mercy, Lago, whipping through Chicago. All these beautiful women follow wherever I go. $1 million deals on the table. Just a couple years ago I couldn't pay for cable. Growing up surrounded by cane like I was able. Shit was unstable, now visionary's the label. Plus Def Jam, know who I am. I'm that motherfucker that do it just cause I can. Now, I'm on the level that your elevator can't reach. I got information that the school system doesn't teach. I got verses that your Sunday service wouldn't dare to preach. Second coming to Christ flow, they like whoa. Raps to you the lyricism, kidnap your soul and change your mind like I penetrated your soul. I seen shit John Lennon couldn't imagine. Just me and the mic on the main stage spazzing. Just the type of shit normal people can't even fathom. So much swag, kiss your bitch and she orgasm. I'm hazardous, you would've sworn I was from Nazareth. I'm resurrecting hip-hop like it was Lazarus. It's the second renaissance.